Hi, I'm David Stolfo. I'm from MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia, and I want to show you today our 210 SPX. It's a 2019 model. This particular boat has the sports towers already on it, which you'll like. The bimini top is great. It's got the nice floor plan here with the flip-flop seat, giving you some flexibility there in your seating. This model here has the bolster seats that I think you'll enjoy, allowing you to drive taller or drive standing up. I like that a lot. The factory tilt wheel is good. Got your Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth. Real nice gauge cluster with your depth finder. This boat here comes with the 5,000-pound nice tandem axle trailer with a swing tongue, so that'll be super nice. Great boat, rides wonderful. I'd personally like to invite you to come and visit the boat with me in person. David Stolfo, and I'd like to take you for a ride, and I think if you ride in it, you'll probably own it. Thanks a lot and have a great day.